Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to submit tax information on your AdSense account. These days in your YouTube channel you will see this message, action required, creators outside of the US submit your tax information. Okay, please follow this video fully. I'll give you step-by-step procedure on how to submit your tax information. First of all, you visit your AdSense account. Okay, there on the left top corner, click on that icon. There you will see the message. Check if additional tax information is required from you. All YouTube creators and partners are required to submit tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payments are accurate. Okay, if you submit this tax information, you will get a tax deduction of 15%. If you fail to do this, there will be a tax of 30%, 30. Okay, so let's see how to do this. You click on Manage Tax Info. Okay, there you will see United States Tax Info. To get payouts from Google, make sure to provide your tax information. This will take a few minutes. Okay, then you click on Add Tax Info icon. Okay. Another window will appear. It will ask you to sign into your Google AdSense account. You will have to type your password there. After typing your password, click Next. Okay. Then you will see another message asking you to select what type of account is your channel, whether it is an individual account or a non-individual or entity account. There you select individual, then click Next. Okay, now they will ask, are you a citizen or resident of the United States? Select No. Click again Next. Okay. Next message is about W8 tax form type. Actually, W8BEN tax form type is commonly used by non-US individuals. So you select W8BEN tax form and click on Start W8BEN form. Okay, now you will see W8BEN tax form. First is about tax identity. You have to type your full and correct name in the name of individual space. So this name should be your correct name, your proper name that's in your identity card. Then select the country. Here I am selecting India. Next they will ask you about the taxpayer identification number. In India it is the PAN number or permanent account number. So in the option foreign TIN, you have to type your PAN account number. After that you can see another optional space, USITIN or SSN. You can skip that and click on Next. Next is about adding your address, permanent residence address. You can fill your address there. Okay, tick the box and fill all the relevant details about your address, your city, PIN code, state and everything. Okay, now they will ask about the mailing address. If it is same as your permanent residence address, tick the box and select Next. Okay, next is about tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? You select Yes. Tick the box below that. Select the country which you are living. Here I am selecting India. Below that you can see special rates and conditions. tick all the boxes given below: services, motion pictures, and all that. You can see three boxes. Tick all the 3 boxes. When you tick the first box, you can see under services, select article 7 and paragraph 1 there. Then withholding rate you select as 0%. Below that you can see recent JS meets the terms of treaty article. You can see a message there. Tick that box. Next, tick the box showing motion pictures and TV royalties. Click on article and paragraph, article 12 and paragraph 2A. Withholding rate you select as 15%. Tick the below box. At last, click on other copyright royalties. Select article 12 and paragraph 2A. Withholding rate again 50%, which is the reduced treaty rate. Tick the box below, then click next. You can see the document preview. 4 forms will be developed. You can click on each and every form and download it and keep it in your laptop or mobile phone, whatever it is. Below that you can see a message: I confirm that I have reviewed the documents. Click on that and click next. Next is a certification. You have to type your full legal name there, proper correct name. Below that you can see, are you the person lighted in the signature section? You select yes. Click next. Activities and services performed in US and affidavit. As the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section performed any activities and services for Google within US. You select no. Click on the box below. I certify that the services provided to Google or its affiliates will be performed solely outside the US. Click on that. Below that, status change affidavit. There you can select, if you have started receiving payments, you can select the second option, or else you can select the first option. Here I am selecting the second option. I am providing tax info for an existing payments profile that has previously received payments. After selecting, click on the box below and click submit. And that's it. You can see the United States tax info status approved, submitted by your name. And that's it, guys. You have finally submitted your tax information on your AdSense account. If you have any queries or doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.